Hello students, today we will learn the uses of verb. Here I am talking about the main verb. So tell me children, what is a verb? Yes, it is an action word or doing something is a verb. And how many forms of verbs are there? As you know, there are 4 forms of verbs. They are present form, means V1 form, past form, V2 form, past participle form, V3 form, and the last one, present participle form, V1 plus ing form. Clear? Okay. Like, if go is the V1 form, went is its V2 form, gone is its V3 form, and going is its V1 plus ing form. So today we are going to discuss the first form of a verb, that is V1 form or present form. Here present means whatever you do in your daily life or your regular work is the present form. And basically in this case we just use first form of the verb. Another thing is that the first form of the verb can be written as V1 form or V1 plus SES IES form. So here V1 form is very simple. Listen, if a verb ends with S, CH or O, we add ES with it, like go, goes. Here we use ES because the word go ends with O. Then reach, reaches. But if a verb ends with Y, there we will use IES, like fly, flies. Now, the question is that where do we use V1 form and where do we use V1 plus S, ES or IES form? So let's have a look of the first one, V1 form. V1 form is used with I, we, you, they and all the plural subjects like children, students, boys, teachers, cows. All the words belong to plural subjects. Clear? So let's take some examples. We play cricket. They fly kites. Students go to school. Here the subjects are we, they and students, so that we applied the V1 form as play, fly and go. The next, where do we use V1 plus S, ES or IES form? Listen. V1 plus S, ES, IES form is used with he, she, it and all the singular subjects. Singular subjects, it means the name of a person, place or thing. Clear? Now, let's get some examples. He plays cricket. She flies kite. Rani goes to school. Now the subjects are he, she, which is known as singular subjects. So that here we applied V1 plus S as play plus S, plays. V1 plus IES as fly plus IES, flies. And V1 plus ES as go plus ES, goes. Clear children? So, if you have got these examples, now make them negative. So the first one, we play cricket. Can you make it negative children? Listen, here I want to clarify one thing. You have already known that we can make a negative sentence only by using helping verbs, isn't? Yes. Like she is playing. Here, is a helping verb. So we can make it negative by using not, like she is not playing. But in the above case, we don't have any helping verb. So how can you make it negative? Remember, here we don't have any helping verb, but there is a V1 form. So if you get a V1 form, remember this one is very important. If you get a V1 form in a sentence, we take the word do as its helping verb. Or another trick is that if a sentence begins with I, we, you, they and any plural subject, we can use do as a helping verb. So we play cricket means we can write we do play cricket. Okay, so here we got the helping verb do. Now make it negative. We do not play cricket. In short, we can write we don't play cricket. Clear? Okay. The next, he plays cricket. Here we got V1 plus S form, but not the V1 form, isn't? Yes. So we can't use do as its helping verb, but we can use does. Remember, if you get V1 form, we use do helping verb. But if we get V1 plus S, ES or IES form, we use does as its helping verb. Another important thing is that whenever we are going to use word does as its helping verb, we can take out S, ES or IES from the verb, like he does plays become play. Okay, so here we take out S from the word play. He does play cricket. He does not play cricket. In short, he doesn't play cricket. Clear? Now we can make it question too. How can you make the sentence into interrogative or question form? Very simple. Just change the position of the helping verb and the subject. Does he play cricket? Then put a question mark. Clear, everybody? Here we can take another example. The sun sets in the west. Okay? The sun sets in the west. Now the sun, is it singular or plural subject? Yes. How many suns are there in the universe? Yes, only one sun, means there is a single sun we have. So that the sun is the singular subject. Clear? So here we use the helping verb does. The sun does set. Sets become set. Okay? So the sun does set in the west. In negative, the sun does not set in the west. In question, does the sun set in the west? Then put a question mark. Clear, everybody? Now let's summarize it. V1 form used with I, we, you, they and all the plural subjects. V1 plus S, ES or IES form used with he, she, it and all the singular subjects. Like that, do used with I, we, you, they and all the plural subject, and does used with he, she, it and all the singular subject. Clear? Now let's test your knowledge. First question. Use V1 form or V1 plus S, ES or IES form. The student read the book. Number 2, students read the book. The next, make negative. I drink water. Rahul walks 5 kilometers daily. The next question, make question or interrogative sentence. They sleep at night. She eats rice. Okay, children, so try to answer me in the comment box. Clear? So keep learning. Thank you.